All we're doing is accepting them, we're not debating them.
Right, item 5.4, statement of proposal for fees and charges, which also you have a separate attachment for. Welcome, Ariel.
Thank you. Councillors, I'll take the item as read. We've discussed fees and charges for 2017-18 in several workshops that were held in February and March. We've been through those both schedules and have proposed changes which are set out in the statement of proposal. The consultation period that we're proposing will run from April the 4th, which is next Tuesday, until the 5th of May, with hearings, if anyone wishes to speak, on the 16th of May.
Yes, Councillor Park?
I'm happy to move the recommendation rather.
And a seconder? Thank you, Councillor Kingy. All those in favour?
Aye.
Carried.